Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. So 27K, the triangle is certainly invalidated, but it does not invalidate our thesis that Bitcoin is moving in a larger wave 4, which should still result in a wave 5, or at least we don't have enough evidence to suggest that Bitcoin has already bottomed. So it's certainly not a triangle anymore, but it could be the WXY structure that's unfolding currently. Let's zoom out to the 4-hour chart. It seems like that the current rally is related to some positive news around the spot ETF. I think you might remember it. Obviously, we don't cover really news on this channel, but you might remember that Grayscale, obviously their spot ETF was rejected by the SEC, and a court. It just came in, so I haven't really read through it in detail, but seems like a court ruled today that the SEC wrongly rejected it, and it goes into the next review phase as far as I think, right? So at the moment, this could just be a WXY. This is what I go with at the moment. The relevant resistance parameters are very well defined. And as you know, my view is that as long as Bitcoin stays below 27,720, this can still count as a wave 4 with one more low to come. It would really need to give us evidence. At the moment, we have 3 waves up and we are within resistance. It has just reacted to the 38.2 fib level. If we get 5 waves up, so it would need to be something like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we get 5 waves up, then that would only be possible in a diagonal. Then we can talk about, okay, the price has actually bottomed on the 17th of August. You know that we're still waiting for another low or watching if we can get another low as long as we stay below resistance. But overall are focused on an overall bullish scenario still. So it is all about, as long as we are in resistance and price is moving in purely corrective patterns, which at the moment it is. It's just at the moment a green candle. One green candle is not enough, or one green candle is not enough to give us evidence that price is bottomed. Again, remember XRP and the news around the court case. Yeah, you know what happened afterwards. So I just want to highlight that. Again, don't vibrate out of your chairs too early, because this stuff always happens in crypto, and we just need to focus on what we see. Now, if we break above resistance, it might do that now. It is a first indication that price is bottomed, but I need to see 5 waves. And that might become clear over the course of the week. So just remember, overall, we're still tracking an overall bullish scenario, but ideally would get another low. Would ideally get another low before that. Yeah. Again, we don't need it. As I said before, it could just have bottomed in a WXY structure, but without evidence, I cannot assume that. So that will probably get clearer as the dust settles. At least we see some movement. So it all comes down to breaking in 5 waves above resistance, or giving us another low and then rally. But overall, still tracking bullish scenarios. But again, we need to let the dust settle. This is way too early to draw any conclusions. But the relevant levels are well defined. Anybody who has been watching the videos, you know about all these levels, you know about what we need to see to indicate that it has bottomed. And if anything has changed or is changing, if I see any interesting bullish structures, I will of course let you know first on the Signals channel. Feel free to check it out. If you become a gold member, you get access to short-term updates also between videos, but or you can just wait for the videos, of course. But there are more short-term updates and signals about various altcoins as well as Bitcoin, Ethereum, as for gold members. Okay, that's my update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.